Hook. People are making thousands of dollars every month with AI tools, and most of them started with zero experience and zero money. Today, I'm showing you exactly how they're doing it. Introduction. The AI revolution has created more income opportunities for regular people than any technology since the internet. You don't need a degree, you don't need capital, and you don't need technical skills. You just need to know which tools to use and how to use them. Method 1. Affiliate marketing. Sign up for affiliate programs for AI tools you already use and believe in. Get Response pays recurring commissions every month for every customer you refer. Writesonic has a generous affiliate program as well. Create YouTube videos reviewing these tools, add your affiliate links to the description, and earn commissions every time someone signs up. This is completely passive income once the videos are live. Method 2. AI content creation. Build a YouTube channel around AI tools just like tools with AI. Use AI to write your scripts, create your thumbnails, and even generate your videos. Monetize through YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. The beauty of this model is that your content works for you 24 hours a day, generating views and commissions while you sleep. Method 3. AI freelancing. Businesses are desperate for people who understand AI tools. You can offer services like AI content writing starting at $50 per article, chatbot setup and training starting at $500 per project, make .com automation building starting at $100 per hour, and AI tool consulting and training starting at $75 per hour. List your services on Fiverr and Upwork and start getting clients this week. Getting started today. Pick one method right now. If you want passive income, start with affiliate marketing. If you want to build an audience, start a YouTube channel. If you want fast income, start freelancing. The worst thing you can do is try all three at once. Pick one and go all in. Closing. The window to get ahead with AI is right now. In 2 years, everyone will be using these tools, and the early movers will have the biggest advantage. Subscribe for weekly AI income tutorials and drop a comment telling me which money-making method you're starting with.